This stylish 2009 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 has only 17-inch miles. This two-door coupe has supportive seats, and is equipped with a tenacious 5.4-liter 8-cylinder 32-valve engine, a thrilling 6-speed manual transmission, and has the thrill of rear-wheel drive with a limited slip differential. Its electronic features include other RDS audio system with satellite, disc auto changer and 6-disc remote changer. CD player reads MP3, a 6-disc remote auto changer and an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.